Hide and seek. Marbles. Hopscotch. Skipping rope. Cricket. Repeat after me. Tip-cat. Hide and seek. Marbles. Hopscotch. Skipping rope. Cricket.
What are they playing?
They are playing tip-cat.
What do you play?
I play tennis. I play cricket. We play football. We play marbles. We play hockey.
Repeat after me. What are they playing? They are playing. What do you play? I play. We play.
Who do you play with?
My friends. I play with my brother. I play with Ahmed and Ruchi.
Repeat after me. Who do you play with? My friends. I play with.
Who plays marbles well?
Jenny plays marbles well.
Who plays cricket well?
Ahmed and Ruchi play cricket well.
Who plays tip-cat well?
Nikhil plays tip-cat well.
Repeat after me. Who plays marbles well? Jenny plays marbles well. Ahmed and Ruchi play cricket.